Upbeat electronic music fades in. Welcome to Drone Racer's Warehouse in 30 seconds. Today, we're rediving into quick hacks for your Candex Vista to boost power and fix those pesky recording issues like low voltage warnings and no recording. Let's get your FPV drone ripping. First, the power hack. Unlock up to 1200 milliwatts for insane range. Start by switching to FCC mode. Power on your Vista, connect it to your computer via USB-C. It'll show as a drive. Create a text file called NACO.txt with just the number 1 inside. Copy it to the root, eject and power cycle. Boom, now you have 8 channels and up to 700 milliwatts. To hit 1200, format a micro SD card to FAT32. Make a file named NACO.txt with PWR2 inside. Power on your DJI goggles and Vista for a live feed. Insert the SD into the goggles, then power cycle them. Head to Settings, Transmission, and select 1200 milliwatts. Warning, this gets hot. Ensure good airflow and check local laws. It's illegal in some places without a license. Now, fixing low voltage or no recording errors. If your goggles say low power mode, unable to record even after arming, it's often a communication glitch between your flight controller and Vista. Check Betaflight. Go to the Ports tab. Find a UART wired to your Vista's TX-RX and enable MSP. Save and reboot. This lets the FC tell the Vista you're armed, kicking it out of low power and starting recordings. Voltage spikes frying your setup. Comment on 6S batteries. Add a low ESR capacitor like 1000 UF35V across the power pads to smooth out noise and protect those diodes. If OSD is missing or voltage reads NA, the protection diodes on TX-RX might be blown. Advanced fix. Carefully remove or bypass them with jumper wires, but only if you are comfy with soldering, as it voids warranty and risks damage. Other voltage hacks: power the Vista from a regulated 9V or 5V on your FC instead of direct battery to avoid spikes, or use a separate BEC for stable power. Remember, test in a safe area, fly responsibly, and always back up your firmware before hacking. That's your quick Vista overhaul from Drone Racer's Warehouse. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more FPV tips. Check out our channel on YouTube, Drone Racer's Warehouse. See you in the skies. Music fades out.